Okay, so my first step is I have naturally kind of wavy hair, so I use the wave spray. This is my absolute favorite just because it's so lightweight, it's so easy to use, it smells good. And this is after I use the mousse, and I just spray all over, kind of scrunch it a little bit. But what this actually does for me, since I have kind of that naturally wavy hair, is I'll show you when it dries, but it just gives me the volume that I need. It makes my waves a little bit more texture and makes it look better.